everybody, Yarn Fairy here. This is our Tuscany bag. I just wanted to share with you this cool little beaded edging that I've got going on here. Per the pattern, your stitches are on a thread being held until we do this weird wacky bind off that I've got going on here. Okay, so you're going to use, this is a size 12 hook. You could use a 13, whatever. You have to be able to get in the hole, grab the silk sock, which is kind of splitty and it's a little hard sometimes, and then pull straight up through the hole. Put this puppy on. Sorry, I'm shaking. Meds I'm taking are horrifying. Okay, so you put a DPN on here. This is just a size 0 wooden DPN. I like wood with the silk because it has a tendency to be splitty. Now, this little guy is absolutely crucial. He is a stitch holder that we actually sell. I don't think we have any more left. Ha! Sorry. You could use just about anything here, though. A tapestry needle, another hook, whatever, just to keep the live stitch from unraveling all your work, okay? Really important there. Okay, so I'm taking my 12 again. I'm going to pick up a bead. I'm going to take this puppy off after putting it through my hook because I don't trust my shaky hands. Then I'm going to grab the live stitch on the DPN, take the DPN to flip the other live stitch off, and place the bead just like we always do. Then I'm going to get this splitty yarn again and put my stitch holder back in so as to secure it and not lose my beaded edge. I just love this. I did a video for you guys just a few minutes ago and I had some great ideas pop into my head about how to make the next bag, so I can't wait to see you then. Have fun and enjoy your Tuscany beaded bag.